aba bajyangu nibaza kukura biragiro kandi buri muntu wakoresheje sente omuhenda biragiro naza kuzigariraho. Samuel Sebukari or Principal Legal State House and Corruption Unit yavuga n'abashobozi bambara Central Market n'kigenderwa cyo kushobora inshonga ya sente zikwika miliyoni kaga as President Museveni atira umusakwegi bitu zikaryangatanitsibwa
tukabone baro iri kutweta hanuya kandi twijira kuterezemo ekintu cye sente zanyu hauko izexes atakabatiraho esente nyinji esente zayo nakubaha ari nakutumanze turebe zazi ndizi yabahire zikaza he mwanchenga so mwamuri kugamba ngo nyine za Ron esente zanyu president tarazi omuntu omwe arazita mu organization eri association yanyu so ncho kurira ngo turi kutereza association kugira ngo be eri able ku receiving esente zanyu.
Mr. Ase Abirebe wrote to where he wrote requesting for an auditor to come and intervene in the matters of Mbarara Central Market. The man came and did his work. After the report vanished in thin air, we have never looked. Nobody has ever looked at that report. Now what do
chairperson kugira ngo report ya auditor wako zile ebitabo kurebe senta uzaje toka bwina go na copy nyine copy ndasa kujikusijira.
Very good.
Okay.
Abashubuzi bashaba ko abaho kucondoza nshonga y'amashanyarazi agatwirega ryekizubo mu kataraka.
The issue of electricity, it has not started with our Madam Division Town Clerk. The issue of electricity has been here. Numunchiza mshonga y'amashanyarazi yatubere shonga y'amashanyarazi. God has blessed me okuzama televisions gona number radio gona. Ahungu zabona enamba ya katari twarawo nerege namba yachi ya mashanyarazi.
Biko byetuli mu process byetukola ko mbitadde ko star nga amasanyalazi zirayo ku masanyalazi. Amasanyalazi government yo wakati Ministry of Local Government egenda kutuwa meters. Era meters ezo wetwogerera atukate izo kwange efulumye tufune service provider agenda okuinstallinga mu meters ezo.
Abandi bashaba President Museveni nkwarije Mbarara abuganeho abashubuzi bamugambire bizu byabo.
Hadika Mbarara twireberereze mukama witu. Kabane ba parliament kine kiyasha kirabashubuza. Abashubuza binirho shanga nituzo omuzalonzi. Omukafuna nyoni yomwe nkazo wa Madam Sare na afurayo naitarinkai tukashashura miliyoni 3 twamwiha omukome akaize niyezena abandi bayobeshereti abakansa mwagabira kataraka tugoba nubantu
hariho ba accountant banya babuzire na hati barebekwa niho turi kutandikira tutandikira nabo mpaho tuba sorting mwigure back account chairperson andika petition ori kushabe sente ezira rijangu sasa kuyamba association yanyu ito forwarding mubone sente musutame mu meeting murebe ko mwabona mutambare mu mishu ebindi bintu kamba sigire local leadership.
Ndi Anita Tukunda.